Hey friends, today's lesson is for Module 4, Lesson 32. Our learning goal for today says, I can find parts to make 9. Man, oh man, I love math. But you know what I really like math? When I get to be the boss of math. That's right, I love to be in charge. And today, I get to find my own parts. So, I am the one in charge and making up all of the number sentences. I cannot wait. Are you ready? All right, so here we go. I'm going to go ahead and grab a whole bunch of beautiful hearts. Oh, excellent. Can you go ahead and count to see how many hearts I have? Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Perfect. I have 9 hearts. You could have said 5 for that 5 group on top and then count it on, right? You could have said 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We could have done that, right? Because it's so organized in my 5 groups. Or we're going to count on them one at a time. Either way, I have 9 and I am the boss. So I'm going to say, that is going to be a part. So how many's in my first part, friend? Good job. Yeah, I circled 4 hearts. So one of my parts is going to be 4. What's the other part? Great. All I have to do is count the rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so look, I had 9 and I just made up my own parts. Pretty good, huh? All right, well, we have to either put it in a number bond or a number sentence because we want to share our good information. So I'm going to write a number sentence today. I'm going to say 9 is equal to, and then I'm going to use those parts. So what would I say, friends? 9 is equal to, let's think about what was in my first part. Oh, yeah, good, 4. Oops, I'm going to add it together. So I would say 4 plus the other part. Good job, 5. And that was easy, and that was fun. I love being in charge, don't you? Hey, let's try another one. All right, so this time I'm going to get a whole bunch of milk cartons. Can you go ahead and count and see how many there are? Good job. Yes, friend, there are 9. Now, who's in charge today? Yes, I'm in charge today. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and circle a part because I'm in charge. I'm going to make my own parts today. So, Alakazam. Ooh, I'm wild. How many's in that part, friend? Yeah, quickly count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got a little wild because I didn't go in a nice straight row. I kind of did a big lump here, but that's okay. So there's 6 inside my little zigzag line. How many are outside? What's the other part? Good. 3. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put this into a number sentence because I want to really explain my thinking for this. How did I make my parts? Well, I said 9 is equal to, adding those 2 parts together. So how could I finish that number sentence? Go ahead and press pause, say it out loud, and then press play to see what I say. Okay, so I said 9 is equal to the parts that I broke up. So I first circled 6, and then I noticed the other part were the ones that weren't circled, which are the 3. So I said 9 is equal to 6 plus 3. Good. I like that I have my picture matching my number sentence. It just keeps me so organized. Do you agree? Yeah, I totally recommend it. All right, today, are you ready to be the boss? Because our learning goal said I can find parts to make 9, and you get to pick what are those parts. I know that you can do a nice job. So here we go. For your video, for your seesaw, I want you to go ahead and draw a picture of 9 items. I added circles because I like good fast math drawings, but it could be anything. Then I want you to go ahead and break it up into parts and write a 1 number sentence to match it. Oh, I can't wait to see what all you bosses do. Good luck, friends.